guidance systems engaged. We are go for liftoff in double O wing, clear to runway open. Double O wing, we are go for liftoff now.
I didn't see that coming. All systems already. I didn't see that coming.
Get it.
I didn't see that
Go for liftoff. We are go for liftoff in T-minus 30. We are go for liftoff in T-minus 30.
Please listen carefully. Oh my goodness. Please listen carefully.
Secondary guidance systems engaged. We are go for liftoff in double O wing, clear to runway open. Double O wing, we are go for liftoff now.
I didn't see that coming. All systems already. I didn't see that coming.
Get it.
I didn't see that coming.
Go for liftoff.
Welcome to Silkytreat Easy Delicious Cooking. On the menu today, one recipe done in 45 minutes start to finish. Salmon in warm lemon spicy ceviche, warm boiled potatoes, mayonnaise, hard egg, raisins. Ingredients: salmon fish, 1/2 lemon juice, 1/2 lemon pulp in cubes, salt, pepper, chili pepper, extra virgin olive oil, boiled potatoes, mayonnaise, hard-boiled egg, California's sun-dried raisins, dry parsley. Preparation: remove the skin of the salmon and cut in cubes. Slice the peeled and washed potatoes and boil in salted water for 20 minutes or when soft to a knife end. Insert the salmon cubes in a bowl, adding 1/2 lemon juice, 1/2 lemon pulp in cubes, salt, pepper, chili pepper, extra virgin olive oil. Leave in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Once the potatoes are cooked, drain the water, add mayonnaise, and dry parsley. In a pan, warm up quickly the salmon ceviche to get it warm. Decorate on a plate, adding California sun-dried raisins. Now you have a plate with lemonade, spicy, sweet dish, all ready to serve and eat. Enjoy these meals. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, like and comment if you wish. Music by composer Silkytreat.